This is David Fanella, Senior Director of Engineering at the Concrete Reinforcing Steel Institute, and I would like to briefly demonstrate our new calculators for the design and detailing of steel reinforced concrete columns, walls, and joints. These calculators, which are Excel spreadsheets, may be used to quickly investigate various options or to check calculations. They are provided free of charge with the purchase of the CRSI Design Checklists for steel reinforced concrete columns, walls, and joints. The checklists are easy to use lists of essential design and detailing items that must be completed in accordance with ACI 318-19. They assure all requirements are addressed and not inadvertently skipped or forgotten. The calculator for rectangular columns in buildings assigned to seismic design category A or B is shown here. The first tab provides notes on the use and limitations of the spreadsheet. Material properties for concrete and reinforcing steel used throughout the spreadsheet are input in tab 2. Also in tab 2 is user input for the column dimensions and size and distribution of the longitudinal reinforcement in the section. Up to 40 layers of reinforcement can be input in both directions. Slenderness effects for both non-sway and sway frames are checked in tab 3, and magnified moments are output where required. Nominal and design strength interaction diagrams are generated in tab 4 based on user input. The adequacy of the column can be checked for user input combinations of factored axial forces and moment. The neutral axis depth and other important parameters are given for key points on the interaction diagram and can be determined for any point input by the user. Required transverse reinforcement is checked in tab 5. Please note that a similar spreadsheet is also available for circular columns. The calculator for walls in buildings assigned to seismic design category A, B, or C is very similar to that for rectangular columns. Two types of longitudinal bar arrangements can be input, which are shown here. Both in-plane and out-of-plane shear strength requirements are checked in tabs 3 and 4, and nominal and design strength interaction diagrams are generated in tab 5. Finally, the calculator for joints can be used to check joint shear strength for interior, edge, and corner columns in buildings assigned to seismic design category A or B. The checklists and calculators are based on the information given in the CRSI Design Guide on the ACI 318 Building Code requirements for structural concrete. For additional information on any of these items, please visit the web address shown here. Thank you for interest in CRSI resources.